Dun, 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 dun.
The food that way? Okay, first. We going for the meats. Pause.
Do back foot, do back, and she do back foot. Roll another one. Do back foot.
Oh, let's do it. All right, talk to your people.
Oh man. Las Cabos edition.
Cabos.
I said it wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. Las Cabos. So this like Sam's Club or they Walmart. We have Friskizzos. And we trying to figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. The sky's the limit. Too many options. Ain't enough options. Oh yeah. We still playing with some stuff right now. Right now, I know we're gonna play with some salmon. We're gonna get this seafood going crazy. The seafood down this way, we about to go handle that. Y'all see it? Back from the store. Big bags. Big green bags. Full of victuals. Roasted knives.
What number you have?
701.
701.
How do I say 701? So I know I don't want to break down every number by itself.
Let me think.
Yeah, we walking back in here. Can get a picture of everything. Yeah, it's about to go down. Roasting knives in the building. Yeah, y'all. It's about to be one of those moments.
Dirty baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early days, lady, you can show me things. You know what it is, whenever I'm busy.
EMG.
Cabo, Mexico.
The right way.
This is a kitchen, international kitchen. If you're not in shape, take care of yourself because we're gonna take care of you.
Brother, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
Welcome to Cabo. So, I get to help chop up something today. Y'all see? I get to do something today.
Pas ou qui fait ça y a parlé. Tout ça nous dit c'est vérité. Nous pouvons manger côté nous passer. Pas de monde qui a dit nous rien parce que le coup. Tout ça nous dit c'est ça lié, c'est ça lié. Parce que c'est nous qui avons pris ça. Tout ça nous dit c'est ça qui a prouvé. Parce que nous connaissons qui ça qu'a fait. Nous avec Dieu qui a l'argent de poche, nous pas camper pour parler sur rien. Tout ça nous dit c'est vérité liée.
International, we not playing. Roasted knives. We not playing with y'all.
International.
That rosemary, man, that's doing something.
This is worse than knife. When you have, you have. That's a hot cooking right there.
Great. Great.
promise you it's work.
We out here in Cabos, Mexico. I can't speak Spanish, so you know where we at though. We got you should spread it and prepare this. Once again, Father, thank you for the opportunity to break bread. Thank you for the opportunity to show my skills, Lord. I thank you. And everybody enjoy.